So as a punishment for losing the first day opening challenge, I have to use the same rod that I used on the first day, now in high water. But I have a punishment for Austin for making me use it. Find out later and see what it is. You got one already?
First cast.
First cast, jeez. All right, bring him over here and I'll... He's a hopper.
Yeah, he is.
All right. Can I grab your line? All right, got him. That was quick.
Yeah.
Graydon's Guide Service. I am not a licensed guide and need to say that in front of the camera. Thank you very much for coming to my TED Talk. Yeah. By that flat rock.
Yeah. Right by the flat rock. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Oh, sad day. I don't think so, if that's what you're thinking. I don't think it can ducks either, but I really don't want to find out.
Oh, that's important.
Gone where? Up? In the power line.
Yeah. The power line?
Yeah, don't hit that. You're using a graphite rod. That was a big hit. Now how do I get down to unhook him? There you go. Swim away. Thank you. Oh, fighter you. Oh. Yeah, definitely hanging low. Here you go. There he goes. I mean, if you want to try it. I got another one. There you go.
That's one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like one. You sure that's a trout? Yeah, I guess it is. Yeah. It's a nice one too. Hey, you got another one. That's a nice one too.
Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it with your grabs.
Yeah, he's a freaking brick. There's one finally. Like as soon as that thing hit the water. Maybe. Huh? Right about where your float is. Hey, Austin. Hey. Yeah. Here you go, bud. Hey, Austin. Yeah. What? Do you want to trade? I got a stick. Nice. You did not get a stick. Oh, you did get a stick.
No?
Oh, there's a fish attached to the stick.
That's double whammy.
Yeah.
I'm letting you help with this one so I don't interrupt. Oh, he's free. You got it?
If you can bring him over. I know it's awkward.
Trying, yeah. I got it.
You got him? All right.
It was just so weird with having the fish and the stick.
I thought you had a stick. I got a stick. Pretty soon we'll have the sticks cut all out of this place. I feel like the inept fly fisherman. You know, if I could fish with any fly fishing YouTuber, it would have to be the inept fly fisherman, because he makes me feel better about myself. It's a small channel, he's only got like 500 subs, but the dude is just freaking hilarious. He spends so much time in the trees and getting snagged, and it's just the reactions that he has is just great. It's like all the footage that I cut out to make me seem competent, he leaves in. See you, buddy. There's one. Yeah, if you don't mind. He's got some color to him. Oh, sorry, I'm on a little bit too far away from you, bud. There you go. So Austin's punishment is that I can edit these videos and make him seem like he didn't catch that many. There you go. When in fact he really outfished me, but no one will tell because they'd have to watch to the end of the video to find out. Yep. Hold on. I'm just gonna pop it. Too murky for underwater releases anyway. Come on, bud. There you go. There he goes. Yeah, you got another one. Must just be the lure. All right. You're free. Here you go, buddy. There you go. Yeah. Hold on, let me get out of here. Yep. Oh, it's done.
Alright.
That's right.
Yeah, the yellow and pink.
Y2K. Bring them up. Why?
Well,
There you go. You're free. There you go, little buddy.